Welcome, dear friends, to today's important conversation about something we all use every single day in our kitchens. Have you ever stopped to think about the cooking oil sitting on your counter right now? What if I told you that some common oils might be quietly harming your health, while others have remarkable abilities to protect your body at the cellular level? I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but scientific research has confirmed that certain oils can actually help your body fight cancer cells. The truly surprising part is that these healing oils have been around for centuries, yet most of us have never heard about their protective powers. Why is that? Well, simple natural remedies don't generate billions of dollars for large corporations, do they? Now, imagine if switching to the right cooking oil could help protect you and your loved ones, reduce harmful inflammation in your body, and even help prevent tumor growth. Wouldn't you want to know exactly which oils to use and how to use them properly? In today's discussion, we're going to explore 10 scientifically proven anti-cancer oils. Some might surprise you, and one of them is probably already in your kitchen, just waiting to be properly appreciated. We won't just list these oils. We'll explain exactly how to use each one in your daily meals, how much to use, the best cooking methods, and the fascinating science behind why they work. Before we begin, please remember that this information is for educational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice. Every detail we share today is backed by scientific research, which you can find referenced in our description section. Extra virgin olive oil, your first line of defense. Let me share a story about a family who made one simple change that transformed their health. They weren't following doctor's orders or trying the latest fad diet. They simply started using extra virgin olive oil in their daily cooking after reading about its benefits repeatedly in health journals. They began drizzling it over roasted vegetables, cooking their morning eggs in it, and mixing it into warm lentil dishes. Every meal included about 2 tablespoons, just enough to enhance flavor without overdoing it. They weren't just making their food taste better. They were giving their bodies powerful protection. The secret lies in a remarkable compound called oleocanthal. This natural substance has been shown to target cancer cells directly. It doesn't just slow them down. It actually creates holes in cancer cell membranes, causing them to die while leaving healthy cells completely unharmed. A 2023 study, published in the journal Antioxidants, found that oleocanthal selectively triggered death in human melanoma and breast cancer cells when consumed regularly. The wonderful thing is, you don't need supplements or special preparations. Just cook with it using medium heat, never high heat, to protect those precious polyphenols. This simple choice might seem small, but over time, it could make all the difference in your health journey. Flaxseed oil, nature's omega-3 powerhouse. A dear friend of mine discovered flaxseed oil during her health recovery journey. She started incorporating it into her morning vegetable dishes and evening grain bowls, not just as a finishing touch, but as an integral part of her cooking routine. She would gently warm her vegetables with a tablespoon of cold-pressed flaxseed oil, being careful never to overheat it, since high temperatures destroy its beneficial nutrients. She wasn't expecting miracles, but gradually she noticed real changes. Her energy improved, her digestive issues decreased, and when she went for her follow-up medical appointments, her doctor encouraged her to continue whatever she was doing. The key player here is alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid abundant in flaxseed oil. Research published in Cancer Research and Treatment in 2020 found that ALA significantly reduced breast cancer cell growth and promoted apoptosis, which is the programmed death of harmful cells, without damaging healthy tissue. The best part is how easy it is to add to your diet. Just 1 tablespoon daily, drizzled over warm vegetables, blended into dips, or stirred into already cooked dishes is sufficient. The important thing is to add it after cooking to preserve those delicate beneficial compounds. Black seed oil, an ancient remedy with modern science. When a family learned that cancer ran in their genetics, Every meal became an opportunity for prevention. One crucial change they made was incorporating black seed oil into their cooking, especially for sautéing vegetables and adding to warm soups and lentils after removing them from heat. Not only did it add a wonderful, earthy flavor, but something powerful was happening at the cellular level. Black seed oil contains a unique compound called thymoquinone. This isn't just another antioxidant. It works at the root level, blocking inflammation, disrupting cancer cell communication, and triggering apoptosis, which is how your body naturally clears out abnormal cells. They started with just 1 teaspoon daily, not for high-heat cooking, but stirred into dishes at the end of cooking or mixed into salad dressings. Over time, it became less about the oil and more about taking control of their health destiny. A 2023 study published in Cancer Cell International found that thymoquinone from black seed oil suppressed colorectal cancer growth by interfering with tumor pathways and oxidative stress. It didn't just slow cancer growth, it made cancer cells self-destruct. Coconut oil, redeeming a misunderstood fat. There was a time when all fats were blamed for disease, but science has helped us understand the truth. Coconut oil, once avoided, is now recognized for its powerful component, lauric acid, which makes up nearly half of its content. In a laboratory study published in Scientific Reports in 2024, researchers found that lauric acid triggered self-destruction in over 90% of colon cancer cells within 48 hours. That's remarkable. Now, this doesn't mean you can fry cancer away, but the oils you use daily can either help or harm your health. Swapping processed vegetable oils for cold-pressed virgin coconut oil when sautéing vegetables, toasting spices, or doing light frying can be a smart choice. It pairs beautifully with curries, stir-fries, and roasted root vegetables. Start with just 1 tablespoon daily. Too much can cause digestive upset if your body isn't accustomed to it. Use it in one meal and see how you feel. Avocado oil, the high-heat hero. Have you noticed how some people switch their cooking oil and gradually feel better? It's not magic, it's the compounds within the oil making a difference. Avocado oil, when used for light sautéing or roasting vegetables, does more than enhance flavor. It works at a deeper level. One key component is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat studied for its ability to reduce chronic inflammation. This oil also provides vitamin E and powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress, which often contributes to cancer development. A 2018 study published in Integrative Medicine found that oleic acid from avocado oil suppressed HER2 gene expression, a gene often overactive in certain breast cancers. This means the oil isn't just neutral, it's actively beneficial when used properly. For best results, don't deep fry with it. Instead, drizzle it over warm quinoa bowls, use it to stir-fry greens, or add it as a finishing touch on roasted sweet potatoes. 1 tablespoon daily is enough to support your body's natural defenses. Sesame oil. More than just flavor. Most people use sesame oil purely for its wonderful nutty flavor, not realizing what it's accomplishing inside their bodies. That tablespoon in your stir-fry or curry might be helping your cells defend against cancer. Behind its distinctive aroma lies a combination of powerful compounds, especially sesamin and sesamol. These aren't just antioxidants. They've been shown to interfere with cancer cell growth and multiplication. Research published in Life Sciences in 2016 showed that sesamol disrupted the cell cycle of colon cancer cells and triggered their death without harming healthy cells. The key is using it wisely, not drowning your food in it. Toasted sesame oil works best as a finishing touch, drizzled over sautéed vegetables, added to soups, or used in salad dressings. Cold-pressed versions can be heated lightly for everyday cooking too. A teaspoon or 2 per meal is sufficient. Walnut oil, the omega-3 champion. The power of walnut oil lies in compounds like ellagic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, and polyphenols, all naturally present in cold-pressed walnut oil. These nutrients don't just support general health, they help slow processes like angiogenesis, where tumors create their own blood supply to spread. Research published in Nutrition and Cancer in 2012 found that diets enriched with walnut oil significantly reduced tumor growth markers in breast cancer models by modulating gene expression involved in inflammation and oxidative stress. You don't need large amounts, just 1 tablespoon daily, drizzled over steamed vegetables, added to quinoa, or used as a light dressing, can quietly support your body's defenses. It's not suitable for deep frying due to its lower smoke point. But that's not where its benefits shine anyway. Hemp seed oil, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Hemp seed oil contains gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that works at the cellular level, helping your body resist the chronic inflammation that fuels tumor growth. A 2023 study published in the Canadian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology revealed that hemp seed extract triggered cancer cell death without harming healthy cells. When used in low-heat cooking or as a drizzle over warm vegetables, hemp seed oil retains its nutrients. Think of it as a finishing oil. 1 tablespoon daily is enough. Stir it into lentils, coat roasted carrots, or blend it into salad dressings. Pumpkin seed oil. Hormone balance. Helper. Pumpkin seed oil contains a compound called delta-7 sterol that actively interferes with abnormal cell growth. It also contains phytoestrogens, plant-based molecules that may help balance hormones, playing a key role in lowering breast and prostate cancer risks. A study published in Food and Nutrition Research in 2021 revealed that pumpkin seed oil helps suppress prostate cancer cell growth by modulating hormone levels and reducing inflammation. Use it by drizzling over roasted vegetables after cooking or blending into warm soup before serving. It's not for high-heat frying. 1 tablespoon daily is sufficient. Mustard oil. Ancient wisdom meets modern science. A 2024 investigation in food chemistry found that traditionally pressed mustard oil contains allyl isothiocyanate, a potent anti-cancer agent shown to inhibit tumor cells in laboratory studies. When you heat the oil gently, using about a teaspoon in your cooking pan, you're activating its beneficial molecules. In recipes where mustard oil is the primary fat, like stir-fries, curries, or marinades, using 10 to 15 milliliters per day aligns with traditional consumption and research-backed intake levels. Cook at moderate temperatures, around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure the beneficial compounds remain intact while releasing their cancer-fighting properties. We hope this information helps you look at your cooking oils with fresh perspective and knowledge. These oils aren't just flavor enhancers. They're powerful tools in your journey toward better health. Now it's your turn to take action. Are you already using any of these anti-cancer oils in your daily cooking? Have you noticed any positive changes in how you feel? Your experiences and stories are valuable to our community. Remember, small changes in your kitchen can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. Your health truly is your greatest wealth. Stay strong, stay informed, and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to continuing this health journey together.